Yes, Sir. So in the previous class, we have studied about the magnitude of the biodiversity which is present and how they are distributed. We know that they are not equally distributed, not that the 1 square kilometer of organisms in quota, whatever number of population is there, or whatever number of organisms or individual of biodiversity is there, the same biodiversity you will find somewhere else. It is not so. We know that the desert area is there, which is having very less biodiversity, whereas that rainforests are there, which are having very high number of biodiversity. So this was the common study which we studied. We even studied the Alexander Halmond's observation, and he found that if you invade a new area, if you research a new area, as you enter in the area, you will find initially you will keep on getting the new species visible to you, but as you go enter in the deep, you will find that the same species are repeated. So first he thought that is the species richness is a function of its area, or it is directly dependent on the area discovered, but later on found it is not so there. Okay. Now today we are going to study a new topic, that is the loss of biodiversity, which is the aim, which is the most important concern for us. We all are very much sure that the biodiversity is losing. There are number of species which are becoming extinct. There are number of species which has lost their identity in due course of time. We don't find those dinosaurs which we think our parents must not parents, but क्या कहते हैं, they existed in some time in past. Similarly, there are number of other species which existed in the past, but they are no more there. So that means biodiversity is lost in due course of time. Why they are lost, that we have to study here. Okay, while it is still doubtful that a new species being added, it's not so that the species are being added, but what is there, that is the time which is taken for the addition of a new species takes very long, and most of the time the new species which are added, they are in the form of microorganisms. Just take this corona strain which we have studied, just 2019, the corona 19 was COVID-19 virus was identified, and now new strains have been identified. New strains are identified either in England, Britain, or in Africa, and many other places. Okay. So they are changing. Now in case of virus, even one single change can be brought to a formation of a new species, but in case of other organisms, it may not so. That is, new species to be formed from a highly evolved organisms, it may take millions and millions of years, because small and small variations will gradually collect, and then only it will lead to so much of difference from the original species that they will fail to interbreed with one another, and we'll have to label them as a new species. So while it is still doubtful if any new species been added through speciation into the Earth's treasury of the species, there is no doubt that about their continuous loss. ये तो बात पक्की है कि species are continuously losing. A biological wealth of our planet has been declining rapidly, and accusing finger is clearly pointing to the human beings. We cannot say that it is because of that, it is because of that. Only human being. In the beginning also I said, it is not that any lion is going to cause of felling of the trees, or it is not that any monkeys they are mining the earth, and or it is not that the earthworm which are making the dams, whether it is making of dams and killing number of organisms, whether it is deforestation, whether it is pesticides, whether it is fragmentation of the habitat, or whether any other type of activities are there, all these are because of we human beings. We are over exploited organisms like dodos. Okay? So we are killing knowingly or unknowingly, and we human beings are responsible for that extinction. The biological wealth of our planet had been declining rapidly, and the accusing finger is clearly pointing to the human activities. The colonization of the tropical Pacific islands by humans is said to have led to the extinction of more than 2,000 native birds. 2,000 species of the native birds. Human being चले गए वहाँ Pacific island, and because of their entry 2000 type of native birds जो हैं they have gone away from the ecosystem forever. The IUCN Red List of 2004 documents the extinction of 784 species, including 333 vertebrate, 359 invertebrate, 87 different type of plants. And in past 500 years, some examples of recent this is in the this red data का जो data मैंने अभी आपको पढ़ा है, that is of last 500 years. Now it is saying that in some example of recent extinction includes dodo from Mauritius, quagga from Africa, thylacine from Australia, and Steller sea cow from Russia. You have to remember these names along with the origin of country. Sorry. Some of the example of recent extinction include dodo from Mauritius, quagga from Africa, thylacine from Australia, Steller sea cow from Russia, and 3 species of Bali, Javan, and Caspian of tigers. ठीक है, तो these all subspecies हैं, तो these all have been got extinct from in the recent years. The last 20 years alone have witnessed disappearance of 27 species from the world. That's a very dangerous sign. Careful analysis of records shows that extinction across taxa are not random, but some of the group like amphibian appears to be more vulnerable to the extinction. And adding to the grim scenario of extinction is the fact that more than 15,500 species worldwide are facing threat of extinction. 15,500 species जो हैं, they are in the threat of extinction. They can get extinct anytime because of the human activities. Presently, 20% of all the bird species, 23% of all mammal species, 32% of all amphibian species, and 31% of all gymnosperm species in the world are facing the threat of amphibians. The maximum threat is to the amphibians. Okay, 32%. Though they have got 2 places to live, land and water, yet they are facing the biggest problem. Okay, तो ये बहुत खतरनाक सिचुएशन है. From the study of the history of life on Earth through fossil record, we have learned that the large-scale loss of species like one that is currently witnessing also happened earlier. Even before human appeared on the scene, during the long period, that is 3 billion years since origin of diversification of the life on the earth, 5 episodes of mass extinction took place. 5 ऐसे केसेस हुए हैं जहाँ पे लार्ज नंबर ऑफ स्पीशीज वैनिश्ड ऑफ फ्रॉम द अर्थ, लार्ज नंबर ऑफ स्पीशीज आर वैनिश्ड ऑफ फ्रॉम द अर्थ. तो उनको हम कहते हैं मास एक्सटिंक्शन. एंड द 6th वन इज इन प्रोग्रेस. ठीक है, तो हाउ इज द 6th वन प्रेजेंटली इन प्रोग्रेस डिफर फ्रॉम द अदर प्रीवियस वन. तो प्रीवियस वन जो है दैट टुक वेरी लॉन्ग टू अपीयर. इवन द एक्सटिंक्शन, द मास एक्सटिंक्शन वाज टेकन प्लेस, बट इट टुक वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम टू अपीयर. बट दिस वन इज वेरी रैपिड. The difference is the rate. The current species extinction rate estimates about 100 to 1000 times faster than the pre-human time of activities responsible for the faster rate. Pre-human time, what were the activities? Maybe some meteorite or some drastic change in the atmosphere, or those were the reason that took very long to appear. And now human activities, they are very, very rapid activity. Like we are felling the trees like anything, we are cutting the forest like anything, we are digging, mining things, we are using pesticide like any amount, and judiciously we have killed a number of animals, whether they were good for us, maybe because they were good to us so we killed them, or maybe because they were harmful to us so we just killed and removed them. So these activities they are caused the extinction, and this is still in progress. And this see आगे क्या लिखा है, economists warn that if present trend continues, nearly half of all the species on the earth might wipe away in the next 100 years. आगे कहीं 200 लिखा है या 100 लिखा है, ठीक है. तो जो भी है, तो nearly half of the species खत्म हो जाएंगी दुनिया से अगर ऐसे ही चलता रहा. ओके, 20 years में 27 species गई हैं. नाउ आप ये समझिए कि 27 species जो गई हैं, they were on them many of the other species were depending, and they were checking the many other species. So how much imbalances that must have created, and this process is continuous. तो बुक को लिखे हुए तो 15 साल हो गए हैं, तो उसके अंदर भी तो काफ़ी सारा लॉस हुआ होगा, ठीक है. Sometimes it becomes very funny that what we are teaching is totally irrelevant because so much of changes and so much of progress has been taking place in the field of science. Science तो रोज़ डेवलप होती है. वो जो बायोटेक्नोलॉजी के बारे में हम आप पढ़ ही रहते हैं इनिशियली इन द इनिशियल स्टेज. टुडे तो विद इन 1 year वी आर एबल टू मेक वैक्सीन ऑन कोरोना लाइक सच अ डेंजरस डिजीज. तो बायोटेक्नोलॉजी इज़ वेरी मच. एंड द नेक्स्ट चैप्टर जब हम पढ़ेंगे तो ऑल योर भारत स्टैंडर्ड 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 6 सब जो है वैनिश ऑफ हो गए, सारे बेकार हो गए, तो फालतू पढ़ेंगे उसको. एनीवे दे शुड कीप टाइमली अपडेट द बुक्स. ओके. In general, loss of biodiversity is in a region may lead to decline in the plant production. Whenever there is a loss of biodiversity, तो क्या होगा? Decline in plant production, lowering of the resistance to the environment perturbance and such as drought, etc. And इसके अलावा क्या? Increased variability in certain ecosystem processes such as plant productivity, water use, pest, disease cycles, etc. So all these are the effect of the loss of biodiversity. Now we shall emphasize here that what are the causes of the loss of biodiversity. भाई हुए क्यों? And this one अगर हम बोल रहे हैं 6th होने वाला है, बड़ी तेजी से हो रहा है, तो what are the reason? And is there any way we can check it? We can control it? What is our role in that? Let us see. So देखते हैं cause of biodiversity loss. तो accelerated rate of the species extinction. This one, the 6th one, which is we are saying, which is in the progress and which is actually depending on the its mass rate. ठीक है, इसका रेट बहुत तेज है, तो इसलिए हम इसको क्या कह रहे हैं? एक्सेलरेटेड. तो द accelerated rate of species extinction that the world is now facing are largely due to human activity. ठीक है, हम ही तो कर रहे हैं. We are only using pesticide and we are killing large number of insects, whether they were good or they were bad, whether they were honeybees or whether they were bumblebees or whether they were some pest. ठीक है, हम तो फार्मर कभी सोचता भी नहीं है, लगाया उसने, स्प्रे किया पूरे खेत के अंदर. ही इज लीस्ट बॉदर्ड वेदर इट इज अ सीजन ऑफ पॉलिनेशन एंड ऑल द यूजफुल इंसेक्ट्स आर कमिंग, यूजफुल bees and butterflies are coming which will be carrying out pollination. If they are not there, how the pollination will take place, how the plants will, the seeds will form, and how these plants will continue for the next generation and all. That's the very important thing, that education and its implementation both are required. You can educate anyone, but that education as long as is not implemented, it is of no use. Okay, let us see आगे क्या है. There are 4 major causes. तो इनको हमने कह दिया the 4 major, that is the evil quadrate. ठीक है, you know the word quarter stand for 1/4. Okay, so the four main reasons are by loss of biodiversity are, that is collectively they are known as evil quadrate. And these quadrates क्या क्या है? पहला क्या है? सबसे पहला, the very first one is habitat loss. Habitat loss means, what is habitat? Habitat is the living and dwelling place of any species. If a species is living in a particular place where it is getting its food from, where it is getting its protection from all the different type of abiotic condition and the biotic factors, and where it is getting the most suitable condition for its reproduction, that place is called as a habitat. So you will not find every species in any and every place. ठीक है, you will not find rabbits roaming on the road, street roads. You will not find these cows in the jungles because these cows are not found safety over there. They तो उनको lion, tiger, other carnivores चीर फाड़ के खा जाएंगे. And the rabbits will not come in the city because the conditions here in the city are not favorable for them. उनको तो घास चाहिए खाने के लिए, where you will get them. So every organ is got a particular place where they live. So the living and dwelling place of any organ is called habitat, where they feel most comfort. So the habitat loss and fragmentation is the first and the most important reason of their loss. हमने क्या किया? We human being, what we have done? We have entered in their habitat where they used to live and where they used to survive and where they used to reproduce. There should be a barrier कि भाई इंसान यहीं तक रहेंगे, वहाँ नहीं जाएंगे. एंड वो जानवर, हम जैसे जानवरों को उधर से इधर नहीं आने देना चाह रहे हैं ना, दिस शुड ऑल्सो नॉट गो देयर, बट इट इज नॉट सो. We are going on and cutting the trees, making roads and dams and electric power plants and what you call the mining activities and roads, etc. So many ways we are encroaching into their areas and we are occupying their habitat. So we are causing loss to the habitat. तो या तो हैबिट मतलब कल लिविंग डवेलिंग प्लेस टोटली हमने ख़त्म ही कर दिया, और a part of that we are occupied and we are having such type of activity there which is actually threatening these animals, which are causing fear in these animals, so they run away from there or they find it unsuitable for their survival, and then either they move to some other habitat or they die there only. And even if they move to some other habitat, the organisms in the other habitat will not welcome them, so there will be a competition. So in all the way it is harmful. देखते हैं क्या है, how we are causing habitat loss. This is the most important cause of driving animals and plants extinction. Most dramatic example of habitat loss come from the tropical rainforest, one that covers more than 14% of, once it used to cover 14%, more than 14% of the earth's land surface, और हम उसको कहते थे they used to be lungs of the earth. ठीक है, now that is remain only 6%. They have been deforested so fast. Why? Either to convert it into the ranchland where our animals will survive, गाय भैंस कैटल्स beef, ताकि उनको खाने के लिए घास मिल जाए, or to convert it into soybean plantation. So you are cutting the trees which used to be a height of 100 feet or 150 feet and which used to produce photosynthesis in the vertical height so much, and you are converted into the small herbs, soybean, tabada plant hoga soybean, and the grass for the ranges for the animals to survive. तो कितना ऑक्सीजन वो बना रहे थे, कितना ऑक्सीजन ये बनाएंगे. So then we used to call them as the lung of the earth. अब क्या कह सकते हैं, नहीं कह सकते ना. So that is one of the, and those type of animal which used to live on those trees, on their branches, those which used to live in the shades of those trees, those used to get the full protection there, they used to hide themselves from those trees and bushes and others. You have converted them into a simple small land where even a dog is standing, you can look, you can make out that there is a dog. So how an animal will hide itself, how an animal will find safety, where the birds will make their nest, where the monkeys and koalas and other tree harboring plants will survive, where all squirrels will go. We never thought. We just wanted कि यहाँ तो हमारे गाय भैंसे चरेंगे, उसके लिए घास होनी चाहिए. We just thought here the we will make the colonies, such a nice place. वीडियो देखिएगा, कौन सा देखना है, लवासा सिटी, ब्यूटीफुल. क्या करेंगे ब्यूटी? You have encroached the forest where the animals used to live in peace. So these are our activities. We are least bothered about the animals and the plants and other species, and there are many of them are endangered, endemic species which used to live there only. उनके दुनिया में किसी और जगह सर्वाइवल है ही नहीं, उनको भी हमने ख़त्म कर दिया. ठीक है, देखते क्या है. They are being destroyed fast, and at times by the time you will finish this chapter, एक बार तुम कर चुके हैं, दूसरी बार खत्म कर रहे हैं, 1000 more hectare of the rainforest would have been lost. The Amazon rainforest, जिसको हमने लंका है, ठीक है, harboring probably millions of species is being cut and cleared for cultivation of soybean and for conversion of grassland for raising the beef cattle. Beside total loss, ये तो पूरा का पूरा लॉस, हमने पूरा फॉरेस्ट ही काट डाला. इसके अलावा क्या, partial losses also there in the form of mining, in the form of industries, in the form of colonies or city or to make roads. रिसेंट एग्जाम्पल हम पढ़ रहे हैं ना, पिछले साल की तो बात थी वो, जब बॉम्बे में रिलायंस वाले अपना आरा का शेड बनाना चाह रहे थे मेट्रो का, एंड दे तो विद इन अ नाइट दे कट डाउन. फ्राइडे लगे ताकि सैटरडे संडे कोर्ट का ऑफ रहता है, कोई स्टे नहीं लेके आ पाएगा, एंड विद इन अ नाइट लगा दिया उन्होंने सारी मशीन एंड दे कट डाउन ह्यूज नंबर ऑफ ट्रीज. Who's bothered? जिसके पास पैसा है उसके पास सब कुछ है. ऐसा ही हो रहा पूरी दुनिया में, यही होता है थ्रू आउट वर्ल्ड. People never bother about anything where the natural habitat, natural organisms whose habitat they used to be, where they will go. I have seen, that is why I am saying. मलेशिया के सारे फॉरेस्ट काट दिए, वहाँ पाइन ट्री लगा दिए. कहाँ जाएंगे वो जानवर जो वहाँ पे रहते थे? ऑस्ट्रेलिया में सारी ट्रीज, they are cut down all the trees and they are no monoculture. Only eucalyptus will grow because eucalyptus grows very fast and that its wood can be used for making paper. So they used to export these trees to Japan. So where the other plants were also there, the other type of this thing also there, and since those all have been cut, where these animals will go, where they must have lost. Many of them must have got extinct even. एंड हमारे देश में तो पता ही नहीं पड़ता वेयर द फॉरेस्ट इज. आप देखते हैं, बोलते हैं कि ये दरा का फॉरेस्ट है और आप चलते जाएं आपको फॉरेस्ट तो दिख ही नहीं रहा होता है. दरा सिटी दिख रहा है, वहाँ पे दरा गांव दिख रहा है आपको, वहाँ पे सम अदर दिस. सो हियर द पीपल डोंट इवन कम टू नो. इफ यू हैव एवर ट्रेवल्ड बिटवीन कोटा एंड देवली, initially the buses used to pass, you could have seen in the roadside there are a number of forests were there. Today there is nothing there, है ही नहीं कहीं, फॉरेस्ट नाम ही नहीं बचा वो. ठीक है. इनिशियली व्हेन यू यूज्ड टू गो, व्हेन आई वाज लाइक माय नेटिव प्लेस में जाता था बस में, तो व्हेन द बसेस यूज्ड टू गो फ्रॉम बूंदी, thick vegetation used to be there, large number of trees, and during rainy season it used to please us like anything, everywhere greenery. अभी ग्रीनरी देखने के लिए तरस जाती है, हरा चश्मा लगा के जाना पड़ता है. So that is the thing. That is the thing. Okay. So we are just non-judiciously सोचते ही नहीं है, just काट दो. ठीक है. तो beside the laws, अभी भी तो कटेगा ना. There is a good forest in the Delhi in which they have planned the Vista project. ठीक है. The people used to go there for morning walk. People used to go for this peace. वो बैठा करते थे वहाँ पे. आप भी कभी गए हो दिल्ली में, और नहीं है तो एक बार जाके आ जाइए before Vista comes into being, so that you will come to know कि कभी क्या था और अभी क्या है. ठीक है. एक चक्कर तो लगा के आ जाइए, बिकॉज फिर उसके बाद तो वो सिर्फ बिल्डिंग्स रह जाएंगी. तो ये है सर. तो a large number of habitats are broken into the small fragments. आपने रोड निकाल दिया पूरे जंगल के बीच में से, दरा का जंगल देख लीजिए ना, रोड निकला हुआ बीच में से. एंड यू माइट हैव सीन, आपने कभी पढ़ा भी होगा, समटाइम्स सो मेनी एनिमल्स आर डाइड, सम वेरी ऑफन, साल में एक बार तो पढ़ ही लेते हैं. कभी कोई लायन कट गया, कभी कोई क्या कहते हैं, साउथ में देख लीजिए कई बार एलिफेंट्स कट जाते हैं, बिकॉज द रेलवे लाइन्स आर पासिंग थ्रू द जंगल्स. तो उस जानवर को क्या मालूम है ये क्या है? दे डोंट नो दैट द ट्रेन्स कम्स देयर. Either the trains are very frequent, then the animals are so afraid that they will never cross, and they may not be able to get the food or water on the other side. So these fragment जो आपने कर दिया है, that is forest का और natural habitat का, या आपने उसको खत्म ही कर दिया, that is the one of the major reason of species loss. So when a large habitat is broken into small fragments due to the various human activities, the mammals and the birds requiring large territories and certain animals with migratory habitats are badly affected, leading to the population decline. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट है ओवर एक्सप्लॉयटेशन. भाई आपको खाना है, मारना है किसी चीज़ को, करिए कोई बात नहीं, लेकिन हाउ मच? यहाँ लिखा है देखिए, ह्यूमन आर ऑलवेज डिपेंडिंग ऑन द नेचर फॉर देयर फूड एंड शेल्टर, बट द नीड टर्न्स टू ग्रीड. पहले लिमिटेड इनकम थी तो लिमिटेड नीड्स थी. नाउ पीपल हैव गॉट मोर इनकम, मशीनाइजेशन. सो दे आर ग्रीड, ठीक है। पहले एक साइकिल से काम चल जाता था, नाउ घर में 4 जने हैं, चारों के लिए अलग अलग कार है। आई गॉट माई कार, माई वाइफ हैज गॉट हर कार, माई सन हैज गॉट हिज जीप, हिज कार। अभी डॉटर आएगी, बड़ी हो जाएगी तो उसकी भी हो जाएगी। सो वेयर द रिसोर्सेज आर कमिंग फ्रॉम? डिड वी एवरीथिंग? नहीं सोचते ना, कहाँ सोचते हैं? तो ऑल दिस इज अ ग्रीड, दिस इज अ ग्रीड। अभी भी बच्चा बोलता है पापा ये वाली कार बेचेंगे, दूसरी लेंगे। क्यों भाई, कितना समझाना पड़ता है, रहने दे यार, 2 साल ही हुए हैं कार, वाई यू वांट टू सेल इट? तो ग्रीड है, हमारी भी इच्छाएं ऐसी है। एवरी नाउ एंड देन यू वांट गो टू मार्केट एंड बाय न्यू शर्ट्स, न्यू पैंट, न्यू शूज, न्यू वॉच, न्यू दिस, न्यू दैट, न्यू, एंड ऑल दीज आर अल्टीमेटली causing burden onto the nature. Okay, so many species get extinction in last 500 years. That is the steller cow, sea cow, and passenger pigeon. What? Due to the over exploitation by human being. डोडो भी इसी का एग्जाम्पल है, मार खाया। इन इंडिया देख लीजिए आप, क्या कहते हैं वो, पार्ट्रिजेस, तीतर, बच्चे ही नहीं है, एंडेंजर घोषित करना पड़ा। दोस नेचुरल फ्रॉग, राना टिग्रीना, पीपल यूज टू एंजॉय इट्स लेग्स, सो दैट इज गेटिंग एक्सटिंक्ट। दो टॉर्टोइस बेचारे बोल भी नहीं सकते हैं, कुछ कर भी नहीं सकते हैं, ऐसे वाले जानवर भाग भी नहीं सकते, तो सो स्लो जाए, ठीक है। एंड पीपल आर जस्ट किलिंग देम। एवरी ईयर वी सी सो मेनी पीपल आर पोचिंग देम। लायन टाइगर, बिकॉज ऑफ देयर नेल, बिकॉज ऑफ देयर लेदर, बिकॉज ऑफ देयर अदर एक्टिविटीज, कुछ उसको मेडिसिन बना रखा है नॉट, सो वी आर सिंपली किलिंग देम। तो ओवर एक्सप्लॉइटेशन बाय ह्यूमन, प्रेजेंटली मेनी मैराइन फिश पॉपुलेशन अराउंड द वर्ल्ड are harvested and endangering and continued existence of some commercially important species, ठीक है। बाकी तो हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में पढ़ाएंगे। थैंक यू चिल्ड्रन।